Hi guys, what's up you guys, my beautiful people, my amazing people? How are you doing? My name is Francisca. If I see my face for the very first time, hi, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to treat dry cough. If you're having a dry cough, every minute and hour you are coughing, every minute and seconds you are coughing, or are you coughing and your lungs are paining you seriously, listen. Come closer. I'm going to teach you how you are going to treat that cough, that dry cough, that whooping cough. I'm going to teach you how you are going to treat the fuck up of it. Okay, so come closer now. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to treat cough. You know, once you're staying like this, you'll be having constant cough. Just rush down to all this, to any nearby market. Tell them that you need bitter kola. Once you bring that bitter kola, get one sachet of tonton. Yes, crack it very well. Then you eat the bitter kola and the tonton together. And eat the bitter kola with the tonton. Tomorrow you come and thank me. Just try it and come and thank me later. Or you get that bitter kola, pieces it. Just pieces it one after another. Just tiny. You pieces it. Then get a bottle of plastic water, bottled water. Then put it inside that place. Be taking it one shot every day. You take it one shot morning, afternoon and night. Just be taking it like this. You come and thank me later. So this is how you're going to treat that wicked cough. Just fire it with this recipe, with this recipe that I just mentioned now, and come and thank me later. So don't waste your money in going to the pharmacy, going to the hospital because of this ordinary cough. Just try this method that I told you now. You will surely thank me. You will surely thank. Don't just waste your money. Just try this. Either you pieces it and put it inside bottled water, then be taking it every morning, afternoon and night, morning, afternoon and night. Your problem is solved. Or you buy tonton. Enter inside market, buy tonton, buy the bitter kola. Is maybe 500 naira for 4 pieces or thereabout. But when I bought it last, it was 500. I don't know at your side how much you will buy, you will get it, but make sure you get the bitter kola. Then pieces it, put it inside bottled water, or you eat it like that. Just peel the back, then you eat it. Just make sure you finish the full seed. You know the seed is normally like this. Make sure you finish it, or yes, make sure you finish the seed. Then get tonton too, or any sweet that has mint. You eat it again. It will help to flush the lungs. Don't stress yourself in buying medicine. You know, all these local remedy, also work wonders. So try it and come and thank me later. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and do this. Subscribe to my channel. I love you.